Hi everybody, this is Jerry Gerritsen, Tabea Law. It's good to see you guys today. What's the I-134A? Well, the I-134 is something that's very popular and something that's been around for a long time. It's the affidavit of support, and it's akin to the I-864 for migrant visas, like the green card. And so it's really showing that the person that you're sponsoring will be responsible to make sure that you're financially covered while you're here in this country. So the I-134 is for people that are out of country, and you are going to consular process. That's how you're going to get here. You're going to go to an American consulate, whatever country you're in, and you're going to do your interview. But this is the paperwork you need to bring with you when you do that. The I-134. Now, the I-134A, and that's the subject of this video today, is not only, it's the same thing, it's an affidavit of support, but also it's travel documents, which means that the document that you have there, the I-134A, acts as your visa. It's not technically a visa, but you take this document with you to the port of entry and you present it to the Customs and Border. They will look at it, but that's how you get here to this country. And that's not what the I-134 does. All the I-134 does is shows the officials that you have somebody financially supporting you. The I-134A not only does what the I-134 does, which you have proof of support, but also it acts as your travel documents to get you from point A to point B. Now, this is a brand new program that's come out under Joe Biden, first part of January, called Process for Venezuelans, Cubans, Nicaraguans. This is the document that they're dealing with. Now, as we speak, it's not available for attorneys. We don't have a drop-down box in our USCIS account. Therefore, we can't fill it out. We have to leave it to the client to fill it out. However, we help the client fill it out, and we help them with the intellectual discussion about the amount of money that you need to support somebody, and so on and so forth. So anyways, that's the I-134A. So we're in Genesis 2:13. The Bible says, "And the name of the second river of Gihon, the same is it that compasseth the whole land of Ethiopia." You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.